Double the love, double the joy. Twin baby showers are truly special. Celebrating two little bundles means extra creativity and fun. From clever themes to matching decor, every detail can honor the excitement of welcoming twins. Let's explore twin baby shower ideas that are cute, unique, and full of double the charm. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun favor idea? Give guests paired items like mini candles, cookie sets, or twin succulents. Wrap them with "Thanks a bunch" or two sweet labels for a playful touch. Favors doubled? Like this if your gifts are twice as nice? What invitations work best? Design invites with twin motifs like paired animals, matching balloons, or mirrored designs. Include phrases like "double the joy" or "twins on the way." Invites with flair, like this if your theme shines before the party. What food works for a twin shower? Serve matching desserts like paired cupcakes, double cake pops, or twin cookies. Label them with fun names like "Double Delights" for extra charm. Food with flair? Like this if your menu makes guests smile. What centerpieces fit a twin shower? Try paired teddy bears, double balloon bouquets, or twin diaper cakes. Matching yet playful designs highlight the joy of celebrating two babies. Tables glowing? Like this if your centerpieces double the fun. What about outdoor twin baby showers? Host a picnic or garden party with twin-themed blankets, paired seating, and double balloon arches. Outdoor setups make space for playful fun. Outdoors perfect? Like this if nature doubles your celebration. How do I style the dessert table? Highlight a cake with 2 tiers or twin toppers. Surround it with symmetrical treats, candy jars, and themed signage for a photo-worthy spread. Desserts doubled? Like this if your table is sweet times 2. How do I pick a theme for a twin baby shower? Choose playful twin-inspired themes like 2 peas in a pod, double the fun, or twinkle twins. A clear theme makes the shower feel thoughtful and fun. Theme set right? Like this if your party starts with double charm. How do I keep the atmosphere warm? Focus on family, laughter, and inclusivity. Balance playful decor with heartfelt touches so the event feels both festive and meaningful for the parents-to-be. Warmth achieved? Like this if your shower feels joyful and full. Can I add personalized details? Yes, use banners with double the love or add baby names if known. Personalized signage and labels make the event meaningful and unique. Personalized perfectly? Like this if your decor feels one of a kind. How do I incorporate decor symmetry? Use pairs of balloons, twin banners, or mirrored table setups. Symmetry reinforces the theme while keeping the design clean and festive. Decor aligned? Like this if your setup shines in perfect pairs. How do I create a twin-inspired backdrop? Use balloon garlands in pairs, twin strollers, or signs reading "Oh babies." Add symmetry to the design so photos capture the joy of 2 little ones. Backdrop balanced? Like this if your wall celebrates times 2. Can I include games with a twin twist? Yes, try games like Guess the Twins' Traits or Double Diaper Race. Add fun trivia about famous twins to keep guests laughing and engaged. Games with joy? Like this, if your activities double the fun. Twin baby showers celebrate double the blessings with double the fun. From themes and food to games and decor, every detail can highlight the joy of welcoming two little ones. Keep it balanced, personal, and playful, and your shower will be unforgettable. Inspired by these twin ideas? Like and check back for more creative party tips.